Welcome to another episode of 2D and 3D sketching and drawing techniques. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform a real-life object into a 3D isometric form. In the real world, everything is presented in 3-point perspective, but it is okay. All we need to do is to interpret it. We'll learn to simplify it into simpler forms. First, let's break down the 3-point perspective real-life object. You can visualize where the blocks are by drawing it over the reference image. Take note that this is a 3-point perspective. Before you transform this into a manageable 3D representation, it is a good idea to present this in 2D orthographic views. The side view and the front view will be sufficient for now. You will use the reference you did from the real thing for you to translate it into your orthographic projections. It is important not to be too concerned about any details yet. All you want are broad boxes. We are done with all the background preparations. For the isometric drawings, we will be taking them as references. It is time to translate the real thing into isometric blocks. Take note of the proportions. It is 3 times as tall as the width. We will now establish the guidelines for the top box, the leg stand at the base, and the center of the pole. If you are wondering why my drawing looks so squashed, it is because the height is probably only about 1.5 times the width. It should have been 3 times. The guide box are ready. Now it is time to lock in the chair, the leg stand, and the base. Notice the inclined backrest. It will be difficult to draw without the reference from the orthographic projection. At this stage, you want to get all the components in its right place. You do not need to worry about the details, curves, and other additional details. You can add in as much as you want later on. That is all for now on how to translate the real-world 3-point perspective object into simple 3D isometric forms. And if you like this video, subscribe, like, and share.